Up next is, I got this idea from Justin Rhodes. He puts his water, when it's in the brooder, up on a little thing that's got wire there so that they don't get the water as dirty. So I got some scrap 2x4s here. I'm thinking this might be a little bit much of a jump for the chicks. So I think what we're going to do is I'm going to rip these down in half and make it like a 2x2. So it's a little easier for them to get up there. And then we'll put some wire screen that I got left over from other projects on there. And it should work pretty good. That way the water will sit up there. The wood shavings will fall off their feet when they get on the wire. And hopefully keep this a little cleaner so we don't have to clean it out as much. So I don't have a table saw at the moment, so I'm going to have to use my skill saw and rip these in half. Oh, you want pee? Stop hammering, man. Alright, we got our boards ripped down to basically 2x2s. And now we're going to cut them to length. We're going to make this an 18x18. So we're cutting 2 at 18, 2 at 15. We'll make a square out of that, put our wire over it, call it good. But I'll show you how we're going to do one of them here. Got those cut, we'll go in, work on the workbench, put it together. I'll show you. Okay, here it is. I'm gonna pre-drill my holes for our screws. Just when you're dealing with this smaller lumber, it likes to split. So we're gonna pre-drill those, get that screwed up, and then do our wire. Alright, we got some leftover wire here from our chicken and rabbit tractors. So I'm going to spread that on there, staple it down, and we should hopefully be in business. This is like the end of the roll, so it's really rolled up tight. So there it is. I'm going to take my grinder. I'm just going to hit these edges real quick just to knock down any potential sharp points just so they don't catch their little feet on there. And it'll be ready to go. Yep. Let's go.
Can I have these?
Yep.
Okay.
So now this, turn it around here. It's hitting the rooter. Boom. Gets their water up out of the chips. And then we hop on there. Hopefully the chips fall off. And then we'll get this as dirty. One down, 2 more to go.
If you want to see more easy, budget-friendly DIY projects, make sure you hit that like and that subscribe. We appreciate you guys hanging out with us, and we'll catch you on the next one.